Hello student, today we will discuss our literature book. This is your literature book and the chapter 1 is a poem Casabianca written by Felicia Himen. Felicia Himen is a British poet born in 1793 and died in 1835. The poem is based on a real incident happened in 1798. Poem is about the war between Britain and France. A war between Britain and France. Casabianca is a young boy, 12-year-old boy, and he is a son of Louis Julian Joseph, who is the commander of warship. This poem is about the actual incident that happened in 1798 during the Battle of Sea. The speaker in the poem narrates that Casabianca was standing alone on the board of the ship, which was already caught by fire. The flame of the fire were rising all around him, but he was so brave. He did not move an inch and did not have a single sign of fear on his face. Casabianca was a brave, obedient, and responsible boy. He was so loyal and obedient to his father and responsible to his duty that he first wanted to take the permission to save himself from the fire. He did not know that his father was dead or alive. He asked for permission so many times. As you read this poem, you find that he asked for a permission many times and also asked if he had fulfilled his duty properly. But he did not get the answer. Why he did not get the answer? Because his father was already dead. But he did not get the answer. The voice of Casabianca was drawn by the sound of gunpowder and shot of the guns. The flame reached to his head, and still the brave boy was asking to his father permission that if it is necessary to stay there. Then the fire surrounded him from all the sides, and a loud burst was heard, and nothing is visible, and his dead body was not found. The death of the brave boy and obedient discipline was a matter of glory to the nation. So in this poem you have to remember all these points. The name of the boy, that is Casabianca, and writer of that poem is Felicia Himen, based on real incident, the date of that incident, and the sea war between Britain and France, and the nature of that boy. What was the nature of that boy? He was a brave, obedient, and responsible boy. And please write the difficult words in your notebook.